Do you feel like your workload is overwhelming? Do you feel that you don't know where to start or what to do first? Are you feeling stressed and worried that you're letting people down? If the answer is yes, then stick around and I will share a powerful yet beautifully simple tool that was invented by President Eisenhower. So, if you're looking for less stress and to take control of your growing to-do list, keep watching and I'll show you how you can make it work for you. Hi, I'm Ricky, one of the co-founders of Thinking Focus. We help people all over the world to be more effective and productive. We challenge their mindset and provide practical tools that they can apply simply and easily. So just before we start, stick around to the end and I'll let you know how you can access the Eisenhower Matrix as a free downloadable resource. It's sure to help you become more productive. So let's dive in. Your to-do list is constantly growing. Nothing seems to be coming off. In fact, more keeps being added on. And you feel like everyone wants something from you and they all want it now. Where on earth do you start? How do you keep everyone happy? Why can't things just be simple? Well, the good news is the Eisenhower Matrix is a critical thinking tool. It's perfect for organising and planning your time. In literally minutes, it will focus your mind on what you need to do right now, what you can park for a later time, what you should be delegating, and what needs dumping altogether. So when you look at your list as a whole, it can be overwhelming. You can't see the wood for the trees. And it's this feeling that's paralysing. And if you're anything like me, you'll avoid and procrastinate. My avoidance strategies include making yet another cup of coffee. And of course raiding the biscuit barrel. But we'll move on. So throughout his career, Eisenhower had to make difficult decisions. He had to balance complex choices all at the same time. So he needed a strategy, and this is why he invented the Matrix. It assesses tasks, activities and projects against two axes, urgency and importance. In fact, this is a good time to let you know that as well as the Eisenhower Matrix, we have lots of tools to help you to become more productive. And if you'd like more critical thinking tools in your kit bag, check out the video on ease versus impact. That model is perfect for assessing and deciding actually where to focus your energy. It'll give you the greatest bang for your buck. Right, let's get back to this then. So, with any tool and technique, what they have in common is that the best ones are simple and they have impact. And the Eisenhower Matrix is no different. We love it and our clients love it too. We must have trained thousands of people to use it. And the great thing is you can literally get started with just a pen and a piece of paper. Okay, so let's get back on track. Start by drawing a 2x2 grid. The left vertical axis will measure importance from not important at the bottom to most important at the top. And the horizontal axis measures urgency, with urgent on the left, decreasing in urgency the further right you go. Now, take your lists of tasks and activities and plot them on the matrix. What is truly important? Is it urgent? What needs doing right now? Is it important? What could others be doing for you? What is on your list that shouldn't be? So you'll see that you've got 4 quadrants. Here's what each is telling you. So items in the top left, this is your do it now bucket. Focus on these activities today or no later than tomorrow. This is telling you what needs to be done first. Items in the top right, well, this is your planning time bucket. This is a high value box. You can only focus on this if you're putting the time in your calendar to do it properly. This is telling you that you need to set aside quality time to reap the rewards. To find that quality time and to become more productive and effective, you're going to need to develop strategies for the lower left and right boxes. How will you eliminate those low value activities? What we mean by that is these are the tasks that take your valuable time. So items in the bottom left, well, this is known as your delegate bucket. Who could you delegate these tasks to? Beware that you're not deceiving yourself or getting caught doing things you enjoy rather than things that add the greatest value. The question is, who is the right person to be doing this task from a skills perspective, for speed, for quality, and to enable you to do those more valuable things? Items in the bottom right, well, you just need to eliminate these. You could leave them until they become important and urgent, but my guess is that they are neither urgent nor important. They will never get done, and nor should they. Now, you may be afraid to let go, but holding on to these lowest value activities and tasks is preventing you from being more productive. Okay, let's look at the hints and tips. So, like all things, don't overthink it. This is a tool to help you get focused and unstuck. It's not fixed either, it's a judgment at a point in time. And I imagine that your workload changes all the time, which means that you need to reassess your priorities on a regular basis. Build it into your daily planning routine. It will make you more productive. You don't need to draw it out, not unless you want to, that is, but we have a template for you to download. And as Eisenhower once said, what is urgent is seldom important, and what is important is seldom urgent. Right, I promised you some free resources. There's a link below that will take you to the downloadable template. Access it as many times as you like, even share it amongst your colleagues. We'd love to hear how you get on, so leave us a comment and share how you found the tool. Let us know how it's helped you to be more productive. And as always, if you found it valuable, smash like. That not only helps us, but it also helps other people to find it, and they can become as productive as you are. Thanks for watching. See you next time.